Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Epix Now on TV instant guide step by step clearly. To activate Epix Now on your TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Next, locate the App Store on your smart TV. Search for the Epix Now app within the App Store. Once you find it, select the option to download or install the app. After the app is installed, open the Epix Now app on your TV. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Take note of this activation code. Now, grab your smartphone or computer. Open a web browser and go to the website apx.com/activate. You will be prompted to enter the activation code. Input the code from your TV into the designated field. Next, sign in to your Epix Now account. If you don't have an account, you can create one at this point. Once logged in or registered, click on the activation button. Your TV should now refresh and confirm that it's successfully activated. You can now start streaming your favorite content on Epix Now. Enjoy your watching experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.